We're here at the 2018 New York Auto Show with the redesigned 2019 Nissan Altima. Now, there are big changes for the Altima, both outside and inside, but we'll start with what's changed on the exterior. Now, the most dramatic difference on the Altima will be found up front, where it has a second generation Vmotion grille that dips down very low. And this kind of is the same look that you see on both the new Camry and the new Accord. All the automakers seem to be going very low with their front grilles, which makes them look more aggressive. Now, what this has also done is it has dropped the cowl of the front hood here. So it might be a little bit hard to see from the front, but it makes the whole package look more aggressive overall. Now, changes to the 2019 Altima are not just skin deep. Underneath the hood, there are also big changes, including the addition of all-wheel drive. Now, all-wheel drive will be available on all 5 of the Altima's trim levels, all the way from the S to the top of the line Platinum, which we're in now. There are also changes in the engine bay for the Altima as well. The base engine is a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder, and while that's the same size as last year's engine, Nissan says that 80% of the parts in the engine are new. And it also makes a little bit more power this year, 188 horsepower and 180 pound-feet of torque. The other big change for the Altima will be its optional engine. Now, last year it was a 3.5-liter V6. This year they've downsized it. It's a turbo 2-liter 4 that features what's called variable compression technology. And now this is a version of the engine that we first saw in the Infiniti QX50 that fellow editor extraordinaire Kelsey Mays reviewed. And he said that the engine was fine, but it had trouble making power until higher in the RPMs. Nissan says that they've retuned the engine for this application in the Altima, so we'll see if that changes when we get behind the wheel. Now, both engines will come mated to the same continuously variable transmission that Nissan offers across much of its lineup. One caveat though, if you want all-wheel drive, it will only be available with the base engine. Now, changes to the inside of the Altima are not as dramatic as what you see on the outside, but there is one big change that's worth noting, and that is a lowering of the front dashboard. Now, what this does is it gives you a little bit more forward visibility and makes the car feel a little bit more open. What they've also done is taken this touchscreen and moved it up, so it still stays in your line of sight when you're driving, which helps safety. Now, this is an 8-inch multi-touch display, and that's actually standard across all grades of the Altima. Also standard is a 7-inch display in the instrument panel, which means that no matter which Altima you end up with, you're going to have 2 pretty good high-resolution screens to look at. Now, there are things that I very much like and things that I very much don't like about the 2019 Altima's back seat. Starting with the good, it has very good legroom, and actually there are 2 USB ports back here for charging. Now, in the production vehicle, that will be 1 USB-A port and 1 USB-C port, which is a nice bit of future-proofing. Things that we don't like, it's a little bit short on headroom. I can actually feel my hair bumping into the ceiling, and then the middle seat, there's actually a prominent hump here, so if I get on this one, I'll end up with a trip to the chiropractor after sitting here. Now, the final exciting addition for the 19 Altima comes on the safety front. It will add Pro Pilot Assist on SV, SL, and Platinum models. Now, this is the 3rd Nissan model to feature Pro Pilot Assist, and we previously tested the system on the Rogue and really liked it there. It's a semi-autonomous system that helps out in stop-and-go traffic or in single-lane highway driving. It does a very good job centering the car in the lane and will keep you a safe distance from the car in front of you. Now, for 2019, Pro Pilot also adds one more feature on the Altima, and that will be rear braking assist. So that will give you front braking assist and rear braking assist as well. No pricing details yet on the Altima, but we do know it will go on sale in fall of 2018. Now, for more news on the Altima and from the 2018 New York Auto Show, stay tuned to Cars.com.